Okay, today I'm just going to derive the relation of equation of motion, that is also known as SUVAT, SUVAT relation. Okay, equation of motion, that is SUVAT relation. Okay, the first formula is V is equal to U plus AT, and second is S is equal to U plus B by 2 into T, and third one is B square is equal to U square plus 2AS, and the fourth one is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay, I'm just going to show and I'm just going to derive this four relation, okay, in a GS way. And for that, for more videos, you can subscribe my channel and you can share my channel and visit my channel. Okay, if you want more such type of videos related to science, then you can follow my channel and you can visit my channel. Okay, I'm just going to derive the first relation. Okay, that is P is equal to U plus AT. Okay, you can first you have to consider, let us consider. First you have to consider the terms that are in the formula, that is VUAT. Let us consider an object moving with the initial velocity u and acceleration a, and after certain time t it gains the final velocity v. And we can also write like this: v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, okay, and a is acceleration, t is time taken. Okay, you can simply consider an object, okay, an object that is moving with initial velocity u, and after certain time t it moves with an acceleration a, and after certain time t it gains the final velocity v, like this. Okay, from the definition of acceleration is defined as the rate of change in velocity. Acceleration, from the definition of acceleration, we know that rate of change in velocity is known as acceleration. Okay, that is a is equal to b minus u upon t, from the definition of acceleration. Okay, after cross multiplication, a into t, that is at is equal to b minus u, and at and minus u, when it comes to LHS it becomes plus, therefore p is equal to u plus at, proved. This is the first relation. Okay, simply from the definition of acceleration, a is equal to v minus u upon t. After cross multiplication, a into t becomes at, and this minus u, when it comes to LHS, become plus. Okay, second formula, s is equal to u plus p by 2 into t. Okay, you can consider like that. Okay, let us consider s is distance, u is initial velocity, v is final velocity, t is time taken, simply. Okay, and we know that velocity is distance or displacement covered per unit time. Okay, velocity is displacement covered per unit time, or average velocity is distance covered in per unit time. Okay, or displacement covered per unit time. and average velocity is also known as u plus v by 2. Okay, average velocity can be calculated the sum of initial and final velocity and divided by 2. That is, we can calculate the average like this. Okay, the average of two velocity becomes initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. This is equation second. From equation second, first and second, okay, from equation first and second, you can equate equation first and second. This becomes equal to this. Okay, that is from first and second, s by t is equal to u plus v by 2, or s is equal to, okay, after cross multiplication u plus v, and this t comes here. Okay, after cross multiplication, and this also proved. Now going to the third relation, that is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, we can consider v final velocity, u initial velocity, a is acceleration, s is distance or displacement covered. And to derive this relation, okay, there are many ways to derive the relation, but I'll derive this relation from this relation. Okay, you have to know this relation to derive this relation if you want to derive this in easiest way. Okay, s is equal to u plus v by 2 into t. Okay, I will derive this relation from this relation, and to derive this relation you have to know this relation, s is equal to u plus v by 2 into t. Okay, compare these two relations. Okay, we have to derive this relation from here. So compare. Here is s and here is also s. Here is u and here is also u. Here is v and here is also v. Here is t, but here is no t. No, there is no any t. So we have to change this t. And from the definition of acceleration, a is equal to v minus u upon t. Okay, from here the formula of t becomes t is equal to v minus u upon a. Okay, and this t cross multiplication comes here, a into t, and it becomes a t equal to v minus u, and t is equal to v minus u upon a, or s is equal to u plus v by 2 into t, the formula of t from here, v minus u upon a, or s is equal to u plus v can be written as v plus u and v minus u, and 2 into a becomes 2a. S is equal to, okay, the formula of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, and here is a plus b and a minus b, v plus u and v minus u. Okay, that becomes b square minus u square upon 2a. In terms of a there is v, and in terms of u there is b. A square minus b square, b square minus u square becomes c plus u, v minus u. Simply you can multiply turn by turn, then you will get b square minus c square. Okay, cross multiply 2as, 2a into s, 2as is equal to b square minus e square. Okay, 2as, this minus e square comes to LHS, becomes plus e square is equal to b square. Therefore b square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, proved. Okay, you can prove this way. This is very simple and just a way to derive the formula. Okay, there is last relation. The last relation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. You can also derive this relation from the same relation, s is equal to u plus v by 2 into t. If you want to consider, then you can consider s displacement, u initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration. Okay, you can derive this relation from the same formula, s is equal to u plus v by 2 into t. Compare these two relations. Here is u, here is u, here is v, here is no v, here is t, here is t. So you have to change this term v or s is equal to u plus, what is the first relation? V is equal to u plus at, okay, and put this value of v here. V is equal to u plus at upon 2 into t, okay. U is u same, and v, in terms of v, we put u plus at. Or s is equal to u plus u becomes 2u plus at upon 2 into t, or s is equal to, okay, do multiply, 2u into t becomes 2ut plus 80 into t becomes 80 into t becomes 80 square upon 2, or s is equal to 2ut upon 2 plus 80 square upon 2. Therefore s is equal to 2 to cancel and becomes ut plus, this can be written as 1 by 2 80 square. Okay, proved. Okay, you can prove this relation in the easiest way, and if you want more videos, then subscribe my channel and visit my channel. Thanks for watching. Okay, thank you.